Even the simplest video project can generate a surprising number of files. Images, music, scripts, footage, slide presentations, voiceovers, to name but a few. You will save yourself a lot of time and unnecessary frustration by organising these so you can find the correct file quickly when you need it. One way to do this is by storing files, such as images, that you might want to use for multiple purposes and in different projects in a long-term central library, and organise them in whatever way is easiest for you to find what you're looking for. You might, for example, decide to store images in one folder, music tracks in another, and so on. Then create relevant subfolders in each based on different categories or subjects such as people or places. Each time you begin a new video project, I recommend you create a new and separate working folder for each of your videos. This means you can pull a copy of whatever images, music or other assets you need from your central library into your project files as and when you need them.